Welcome to the prestigious community of Vista del Verde. This San Clemente, Mediterranean model offers the largest view lot in the 60-home Pinnacle collection, produced by the Toll brothers. Enter through the double doors to a grand foyer with a sprawling double staircase and your first glimpse of the magnificent city views that await you throughout. This 5,900 square foot home has 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, featuring 1 bedroom downstairs with an attached bath. Downstairs also has a den and ceiling fans throughout the entire house. Formal living, dining, and family rooms with fireplaces and nook area. Beautiful gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, 6-burner stove, double wall oven, walk-in pantry and large island. Gorgeous master bedroom with fireplace, separate retreat area, large walk-in closet, and beautiful master bath equipped with double vanity sinks, seat-in shower, his and her toilets, and sunk-in jacuzzi tub. Each bedroom upstairs has its own attached bathroom and walk-in closet. Tons of capital improvements including large swimming saltwater pool with solar water heater, diving board, and automatic pool cleaner, professionally maintained. Elevated jacuzzi round tub with swim jets. Beautiful backyard, ideal for entertaining with an imported Italian wood-fired pizza oven. Stainless barbecue with outdoor refrigerator, burners, and storage drawers. Garbage disposal and independent hot water system for the stainless outdoor sink. Extensive landscape and planters, outdoor fireplace and 3 outdoor speaker systems. Several producing fruit trees including lemon, lime, apple, plum, pear, avocado, orange, pomegranate, grapefruit, and apricot. House was provided with extra premium insulation at the time of construction, upgraded 3 room air conditioners and heaters, fire sprinklers throughout, pre-wired with DirecTV HD satellite systems, 3 custom surround sound systems in the house with AIM speakers installed in the ceiling. ADP alarm, burglary, and fire system in operation. Soft water system with auxiliary booster pump to maintain constant water pressure throughout the house. 2 2-car garages and large side for RV parking. Custom sports court that is pre-wired with 50 amp service for a motor home. Once you see this house for yourself, you'll want to call it home.